I happen to have a full afternoon and evening free Thursday this week, so I thought I'd share what an average day of working on a personal project looks like for me. But before I get to coding, let me make a fresh cup of coffee. For those of you who don't follow these vlogs, I'm currently working on a very simple task list app. I'm picking up back where I left off in last week's vlog, and you can go check that out if you want to catch up on what I've done so far. Fun fact, Xcode 13 is out now, so that means I get to play around with Vim keybinds again, which I'm super excited about. First thing I'm going to tackle today is a small update to the visuals of the task list view. Right now it's just a bit of a placeholder I use to debug, with green indicating the tasks that have been completed and red the tasks that haven't. I want to recreate the fading into space effect there is in the view to create new tasks. I think it looks alright so far, but I'm not super convinced that it's perfect yet. I'll use that as a base for now and see if I get new ideas to improve it later. While I'm here, I'll also adjust the button to complete a task and add a way for users to go back if they completed a task by accident. I mentioned in the last video that I also want to create a small animation when you complete a task list that shows the spacecraft that follows along your progress landing on the destination planet. Let's look into making that happen now. It's not bad, but I think what would be even better would be to use match geometry effects to have the spacecraft from the progression bar on the left transition to the one landing on the planet pretty smoothly. I played around a bit with the match geometry effects and didn't have any success getting it to work the way I would like to. The initial position of the shuttle is way wrong and I'm not sure why, so I'll disable that for now and revisit it some other time. While I'm here, I'll also reuse the particle emitter effect I have used before on the shuttle so the landing animation looks a bit more convincing. I'll take a quick break here to go on a walk and make dinner and see if I can get some more work done after dinner. Back from the walk, and after a nice simple dinner, I want to close the initial basic flow of the app. I can now delete the task list after it's been completed, which lets me get back the initial state of the app, ready to start the task creation and completion flow all over again, which in turn closes the whole loop and lets the app be able to do the entire flow over and over again. I'll just take the rest of the evening correcting small bugs that showed up in the process of closing that initial loop. As you can see, not that much progress is made in a single day right now, because I'm not that comfortable with SwiftUI yet. To me right now it's all about pulling on whatever thread that feels interesting and try to learn something new from it. In time it'll make me more comfortable about using the framework and a lot more productive overall. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, consider liking it, and if you'd like to keep up with future vlogs, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you all in the next video, and until then, take care.